Here, well, it doesn't want you to know that. Ice cream in the glass, much better than an ice cream parlor. In a 700 milliliter glass, we'll add melted chocolate and cover the entire glass. Let's wait until this chocolate solidifies. In the meantime, in a container, add a 200-gram tub of sour cream, a 200-gram can of condensed milk, and 3 tablespoons of powdered milk. We'll mix that up really well. Next, I'm going to use strawberries. The quantity is to taste. We just have to mix it again. Once that's done, let's set it aside. Now, with our chocolate cup solidified, let's make another layer. We just have to put it on a rack, upside down, and refrigerate it until it solidifies. Guys, I used a little bit of neutral alloy in this mix, but if you don't have it, you don't have to. We'll mix that very well, and then with our chocolate hardened, we just have to add it until it's complete. Let's finish on top with some melted chocolate. To decorate, I use a little sprinkle. Once that's done, just take it to the freezer and let it harden. After this time, just remove it from the glass, cut it, and enjoy. And look guys, how amazing this ice cream in the glass is. Super quick, easy, and delicious. Make it at home and I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed it. That was another recipe here from Pour in the Kitchen. That big hug. See you next time.